Good afternoon, everybody. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations. How are you guys all doing? Good, I hope. So, we have to do a redraw. I think for one of these cards, if not for two, I don't know yet. Let me think on that for a moment. I need to leave my email in my inbox, but I do believe she has an email. So I'm going to reach out to Emmy. I'm going to leave my email in my inbox for Emmy, but I'm going to do at least one drawing for... Actually, you know what I'm going to do? So, I have some names here. So I have Bethany, Joy Wilson, Penny Stone, Bug Scott, Annette Hopkins, Amy Hain, and Cindy Ellen Robinson. Those were the ones that commented last time, I believe, on that Team Tiny Hop last time. I believe that's what this was for this one. If I remember right. I can't remember if that's what this one was for. But I'm just going to close my eyes. And I'm going to randomly go up and down. My eyes are closed, you guys can see. And wherever my finger stops at, when my finger has stopped, I'm going to open my eyes. 1, 2, 3, open. Okay. Bug Scott. Bug Scott, you're the winner of one of these cards. So, you can pick between this one. You can either have this one with that stamp set, okay, or you can pick this one with that stamp set. Okay, so for some of you that hop along with me and stuff, okay, you could still win prizes, okay? It's okay. You can. It's alright. So, Miss Bug Scott, I don't know your first name. Okay, I can't remember your first name. So, Miss Bug Scott, you won something. I will leave my email down below in the description box for you to reach out to me, okay? So, also, I will leave that down there for Emmy, Yana, or whatever her name is, to get a hold of me too. So, I need to start doing that because I know Facebook group is not the greatest thing to do for a lot of people, because a lot of people don't have Facebook, and I never think of that, and it's like, oh yeah, duh. So, anyways, I know I told you guys the other day I was going to make my very own inkstand for my Distress Oxide inks and Distress Oxides for my Tim Holtz stuff. Well, I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, okay, and here are the ingredients, well, for most of them, and I'm going to have to get, I think I have a piece of sturdy thing over there that I can use for the other ingredients, but they did not have the crates that I needed, the 10 crates. I was only able to order 8. You have to order online. And I went through that gal. I didn't know this, but you guys can actually be an affiliate for Family Dollar. So Family Dollar and Dollar Tree are related. I did not know that. That is pretty cool. I didn't know that. So, yeah, it's pretty gnarly. But anyways, so I had to order God, why is it every time I come do a video, I either have a hiccup or a burp or something? Good grief. So sorry, guys. But, so, they had told me yesterday at Dollar Tree, they said, yeah, sure, you can order online and have them shipped to our store for free for pickup. Well, I went online when I got home, and it said unavailable for shipping to the store. I was like, what? I'm like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. So of course I had to pay shipping. It's like, bleh. But it's either I pay, you know, $40 to $50 for another ink stand or two, or I pay, you know, less than $20 or whatever, you know, $18, $17 or whatever it was, less than $20 to get all the stuff from Dollar Tree to make my own ink stand with a turning easel thing on the bottom of it for it to turn. So technically, I guess it's 10 crates, but I don't remember her using 10 crates. And I will put her video in my description box too. I will find it again and I will get it in the description box so you guys can watch it too. But 36, so I got my 36 clothespins because you will need those too to help make it. And then I got my fastener dots. As I remember, I think she said something about fastener dots. Okay. Then I got my shaker jar. You don't need the jar part, but you will need this part. The lid. You'll need the lid. This is going to be your turning thing that makes it turn like a lazy Susan. So my crate should be here in a couple of days. And then we can work on that. And then 2 round signs. I walked around Dollar Tree. They totally rearranged that store. And I was like, really, people? Do you have to constantly rearrange and rearrange and rearrange Dollar Tree on me? So, I know as cute as these are, I know they work so hard on these cute round signs, but these are the size that you need. And you'll need a little tiny screwdriver to take these off. So, yeah, I had to search hard to find 2 round signs. But hey, $1.25 and I finally found them. So I'll have to take the base off. I'll have to unscrew Home and Dreams, and I can use this on something else, like maybe a card, or screw it on some other wooden decal that I have or something. And then, yeah, so this is gonna go on, I guess, the thing, and then the lid, I think, is gonna go like here or something. And this is how it's gonna turn. I don't remember how, but something like that. But I might have to watch the video a few times to get it correct. So, yeah. Oh, and then I found, look what I found at Dollar Tree. A roller cutter, a 28mm roller cutter, and it's got this protector thing on it. And look, it cut my foil, my hot foil. How cool is that? That is so amazing. I tested it out and it works. So all you have to do to cut it is you pull that down and you roll it across your foil and it cuts. No more struggling with my scissors. It was like, yes. So for $1.25, you can get yourself a cutter, a roller cutter. So it's like, yay. So, yeah. Oh, and then I found some like Tim Holtz type stickers that I thought I would play with. That I thought looked really cool, you guys. Look at these. Those look really cool. Don't those look like Tim Holtz? Steampunk? Tim Holtzy? Even Monica Taylor would love these. So Monica Taylor, if you watch this video, look at those. Dollar Tree. Go to Dollar Tree and get you some of these. These are totally epic. Look at those. Awesome. These would look cool on Monica Taylor's her cards or her journals and stuff like that some of us will be making and stuff like that. So I printed out some of her Halloween stuff, and I thought I could spray some of Tim Holtz's stuff on here, and I thought that would look really cool and maybe puffy. But yeah, it almost looks like metal, but you can give it a different color. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But that was like screaming at me going, get me, you know. So but anyways, I just thought I'd let you guys know. So yeah, so that is where we're at. Oh, and I tested out Tim Holtz's oh my gosh, I really love this, the embossing glaze Tattered Rose on here, using my stencil for Polka Dot Orchard, the Plenty O' Leaves stencil for a slimline card. And look at that. That feels so smooth. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. I know I kind of boo-booed right here, but that's okay. It's where I double overlapped. That's okay. We'll just, you know. Ah! My battery's running low. Oh no! Oh no. Oh no. Excuse me 1 second while I plug in a laptop. Hold on. Okay. Now. There we go. Whew. There we go. Now we don't want the laptop to die. Oh. So yeah, that is just so, it's so soft. I mean, I wish you guys could feel it, but if you guys don't have the Distress embossing glaze, I encourage you to get it. It's really cool. I'll definitely use it, but oh, and I lost my embossing powder tool, and I also lost my my coffee filters. I had a stack of coffee filters in my craft room, and I had put them in my in with my embossing powders. Gone. They just vanished. And then my embossing powder tool just, I don't know where it went. So I had to quickly order myself a new one. Now watch, after I ordered it, it'll probably show up. And so instead of getting more coffee filters, because over time those will add up and add up, I just ordered myself a cheap one of those trays that everybody else uses. You know, it has like a funnel tray type thing. I got one of those. So that'll be here tomorrow. So, okay. So anyways, I guess I will let you guys go. I'm expecting something in the mail today. My new Bronco shirt that my husband got me, and I had to exchange, and I just got it on a gift card, and I ordered a different one, a V-neck one, a woman's one, and it's a Russell Wilson Bronco shirt. So the Broncos play the Seahawks today, which is going to be really weird for Russell Wilson because he was a Seahawk. He was quarterback for the Seattle Seahawks for many years, and I was a huge Seahawk fan for many years because that's where I was born and bred. You know, born and raised. I lived there for 26.5 years in Washington State and stuff like that. And now I'm here in Colorado, and I've lived here since off and on since 1998, and yeah, I've been here and stuff like that. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later. So that's it. So that was a short little 15-minute, almost 16-minute video. So anyways, why is my laptop going blurry? That doesn't look good. Okay, now I'm clear. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.